हेलो गाइस, मेरा नाम वर्णिका है। आज मैं आपसे अपना कॉग्निजेंट का एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहूँगी। सो रिसेंटली आई गॉट अ चांस टू गेट इंटरव्यूड विद कॉग्निजेंट फॉर वन ऑफ द जॉब पोस्ट फॉर साइबर सिक्योरिटी। तो आई थॉट टू मेक अ वीडियो ऑफ how was my experience so that it can help other people to get any idea from if they are planning to give interview in any of the companies. So recently there was a job post which I have applied long back, but I got a call after a few months from the HR. So first of all, the HR was very good, बहुत अच्छी थी HR. The whole process in the Cognizant, that was also very good. The interview, when I got the call, so my interview, it was scheduled for after 1 week. Usually क्या होता है कि when you got the call from the HR that you got selected and we want to do your interview, तो उसके बाद maybe in 1-2 days you have to give your availability to get that interview. But since मुझे कुछ काम था due to some medical emergency, I have to push it for 1 week. I can't take it. So I told her I am not able to manage. So she was okay and she scheduled it 1 week later. So after 1 week on the interview day, there were 2 panelists in the interview. But before that, you have to, I would advise that आप थोड़ा पहले ज्वाइन करिए. ट्राई टू ज्वाइन एटलीस्ट 30 minutes earlier if you are giving it for the first time, क्योंकि there were some prerequisites which needs to be done, like photo upload, your ID upload, your recent photos, that needs to be done. तो in hustle and bustle कुछ गलत ना हो जाए, तो better to join on time, get the prerequisites done and join it before time so that you can make yourself calm. So when I entered into the interview, there were 2 panelists. One is from India and one is, I guess he's from Japan, is outside India. Both were very good. So it started with their introduction. So 2 type के interviews होते हैं. One जिसके लिए if there is a project available in their company and they are hiring for that particular project, so they will give you a brief on what is project all about for which they are hiring you. And another one was like if they are hiring you in a bulk, like for some particular task, or like they have the vacancy available but not for any particular, the project is not decided yet. So that depends. So मेरा already चूँकि they were hiring for one of the project in their company, so they give introduction of the project, about themselves, what was expected on the project, is it work from home, work from office, all those details, and they will ask your thought on that also, like because right now बहुत सारी companies आजकल work from office पे हैं, तो they were not most people like work from home, so they will clear out each and everything so that in the later point of time you will not get issues. Then they completed their part. Then come my part. So they started with my introduction, and like introduction including my roles and responsibilities in my current company, what I'm currently doing. And later they started with the basic questions, basic understanding, like they will test you your basic understanding, like for example risk, vulnerability, and they don't only want the exact definition, they ask like for a layman person, if you have to explain, like kind of that question also were asked. ठीक है, उसके बाद when they tested you, like in the 15-20 minutes, when they are okay with your knowledge and with your experience, with your knowledge and your basic knowledge and basic knowledge एक ही बात है. So then they will land up to the scenario based questions. So they will ask you the scenario based questions, also like questions which they will give you a situation and you have to imaginary situation or like the situation, if you say okay ठीक है मैंने कभी ऐसा situation face ही नहीं किया अपनी current company में, तो then they will throw a ball on you कि if this happened then what will you do. तो ऐसा करके mixed, the interview experience was mixed. For me it was like easy to moderate kind of experience. मैंने obviously सारे questions के answer नहीं दिए. If you want the question detail also, kindly let me know in the comments so that I can make one more video on that part. What particularly question मैंने सारा लिख लिया था. I have that tendency to write everything later point of time. Then they were like, okay, we are okay with the interview. It was for 31 minutes, and they were okay with the interview. And they said, okay, we cannot say anything as of now because we have other candidates to interview. The HR will get in touch with you. Luckily in the evening I passed this round and I got a call from the talent acquisition team, HR only, that you got selected and we were want to schedule another round of interview, that is with the manager, that is with the project lead who is leading the whole project. So I was okay, that was scheduled for the next day. So that interview I was not prepared because शाम को कॉल आया और नेक्स्ट डे 10 o'clock वो शेड्यूल्ड था. Time constraint was there because the team was not from India. So that was one of the the preparation time was very less. So whatever I have already with me, मुझे उसी पे ही इंटरव्यू देना था. And I was not even sure कि what was expected in the next round from me. तो ऐसा क्या पढ़ना है क्या नहीं, ऐसा कुछ प्रीपेप भी नहीं था, but basics I was clear on. So I discussed with my brother. तो मुझे इतना पता लग गया था कि it was a kind of a managerial round जिसमें कि he will test your skills with respect to the project for which he is hiring you, whether you are eligible candidate for that particular role. So next day it was scheduled around 10:30 and I gave that interview. The manager, he was very good. So one thing, kindly make sure, give your, before this managerial round, kindly give your updated CV. Because the first thing the manager will look into is your CV. If that is not updated, he is going to ask you questions from that. मेरी ये mistake थी कि I think I submitted a 2-3 months old resume to them, and that was not very professionally defined. That is in my opinion. That was not very good in my case for the interview purpose. But anyway, kindly make sure that you guys, whenever you got the chance, kindly make sure you provided the updated one. Then comes so he was also a very good. There was only one panelist in the round 2. He was very good. He, before the interview, he gone through with all my details, all the all the minute details, I can say. Okay, and then he started with his introduction, project, and what the role demands, same as the last day, but more in a more detailed way. So I have one habit of writing everything in a diary. Like whenever someone is saying or explaining anything about something, and I think that okay, I'm not able to remember everything after once he stop speaking. So what I usually do कि मैं सब लिख लेती हूँ, so that later point of time, if I had any question, at least I have some few pointers in place to ask him or her the questions or any further information. So once he stop speaking, उन्होंने ठीक है उनका introduction हो गया, then to start communication, or just to make a communication in a better way, I just told him, okay, so what I understood from the project is this, what is expected, this was the role. So he was very happy. He specifically mentioned that, okay, I'm very impressed that you have mentioned you have understood the things and summarized in a very crisp way. So that is one part you can do also. After that, same thing, he started with my qualification, because I'm doing masters, so he asked what is specifically in masters you are doing, what are the subjects, those subject details, because he is also masters. He told me. So then you make sure that you have very at least answer ready what you are currently doing. I was not prepared for that question, but whatever I have learned in the last semester, I explained him. Luckily there were no questions after that. He is saying that okay, the question will come, but fortunately I skipped those. Okay, then comes all question was scenario based, situation based, and 90% of the question were question which will test your, like, those are scenario based, and that will test your, basically what it will test is your accountability at the, if you have at particular experience. So accountability, approach towards the problem solving. Third is, I believe, the leadership quality, and then the pressure handling technique. So all those things, his basic motive was, what I understood from his questions was that, and obviously during this he will obviously test your subject knowledge also. So that is like 10% is on the subject knowledge, very rare question on the direct question, like what is this, no, like have you ever encountered in such a situation where ABC happened and what is and which leads to XYZ, that particular kind of question. So let's suppose even if you don't know the answer, at least, like, since you are experienced, at least go 2-3 steps, up to 2-3 steps. And then for my case, like, I did the same, because I am not pro in all the on all the situation based on the situation which he asked. So overall, like, it went for, at least it was scheduled for 30 minutes, but it will go up to 50 minutes. He will ask you, like, if you are okay to extend the interview, because if they want to dig more into or if they wanted to understand, if they feel the candidate is good and we want to dig more into his or her knowledge, so they will extend. So in my case, I think he wanted more clarity कि मेरी understanding कैसी है. So at the end of the interview, he said that okay, HR is not needed for my role, but he wanted to do one more round of interview with his manager, who is the DM, delivery manager. So for the final call, and in round 2 only he gave me the hint kind of a thing that okay, just discuss the salary and perks with the HR and get those clarified. Next round is yet awaited, because due to some situation I'm not able to give the round 3. It was because the interviewer was on leave, because these days the Christmas leaves are going on, Christmas and New Year, so most probably, and I have something to do, so not able to the timing is not matching. So it is still awaited the third round. I'll give you update कि third round कैसा था and what was the final result. But for now, this is the only these are the only details I have to give you. I hope this video helps you out in any of the Cognizant interview. But overall, my experience was very good. If you have any question, if you want what kind of question were being asked into the during the interview, I have that handy. I have that handy. Kindly let me know in the comments if you want those questions. I'll make a video. Thanks for watching.